Kia ora, Year 11. This is the third video. This is on solving equations where there's x's on both sides. If you have a look at this equation here, we've got 3x on this side and x on the other side. I've just drawn you a diagram like we did in the first video. We've got 3 unknowns, so I don't know how much is in this boxes, plus 4 things that we do know equals 1 unknown and 6 things. So we don't know how much is in each of these boxes, but we'll find out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to only have x's on one side. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, hey, look, I want to take away x from both sides. So we draw up our lines. We're going to go take away x, and we've got ourselves 2x plus 4 equals 6. Diagrammatically, what's happened is you've said, well, I'm going to get rid of this x, and therefore I'll get rid of this x. So we've got 2 x's here, 2 unknowns, plus 4 things equals 6 things. So the next step is to go and take away 4 from both sides. So if we take away 4, we're going to find out how much is in each of these boxes. So if we take away 4, that's going to take away 4 from this side, take away 4 from this side. So in these 2 boxes is 2 things. So the question is, how much is in each of those boxes? Well, then if you've got 2 boxes has got 2 things, each box has to have 1. And to do that, all we've done is we've divided by 2. Now, if you look at the second one, I'm not going to draw a diagram, but we've got x's on both sides again. So you want to make sure that you have a balance here where you've only got x's on one side. So the smartest move to do is to take away one of these ones. Now, here I put all the x's onto this side and all the numbers over onto this side. You don't have to do it that way. What my suggestion would be, and feel free to ignore it because this is just to make life easier on yourself. You know that this is equals. So my first step is to say, look, if 5x plus 3 equals 3x minus 5, I'm going to say 5x plus, try that again. If 3x minus 5 equals 5x plus 7, then 5x plus 7 must also equal 3x minus 5. They are both equal, so it doesn't matter whether the left-hand thing is equal to the right-hand thing or the right-hand thing is equal to the left-hand thing. The advantage here is that my first step of working out can be to take away 3x. The only reason I switched these, and if you didn't, it would have worked perfectly fine as well, is now I'm getting a positive 2x. 2x plus 7 equals minus 5. Now, how are we going to get just x? Well, we've got 2 times a number plus 7 is minus 5. Let's subtract 7 to get rid of that plus 7. Take away 7. So you've got 2x equals minus 12. Now, the final step to get just x by itself, divide by 2, and this is x is minus 6. Brilliant. That's how you solve if there's x's on both sides. In essence, try to get all the x's to one side by taking away whatever x's are on the other side. So you end up with an equation that's just got x's on one side by itself. If you've got x's on both sides and one's bigger than the other, always try to take away the one that's smaller so you get a positive x. If you don't, it's not a problem. You'll just get a negative x and you'll divide through by negative something rather than a positive something. All right, well done, gentlemen. Try the questions on the Education Perfect that are on this, and I'll follow up this video with one on fractional equations as well.